I'm Cam and welcome back to my channel. As y'all should already know, maybe not, whatever, we just moved to Michigan a few months ago, and Pottery Barn is actually going to be doing our playroom and our bedroom for the kids. So Pottery Barn kids. Our kids are just destroying the rest of the house, our bedroom and the living room, and they have this entire play space that they can't use. The first thing I'm gonna do is what we're doing together, which is like unboxing our kids' playroom. And the second thing we're doing is doing this vlog video. Let's begin the unboxing. Okay, this is technically, I think, like the second box that I'm opening. Hi, Ari. I'm unboxing your playroom right now. That is Ari. She is one of the two people that this playroom is going to be for. So we have like a beanbag chair, like the outer covering, and it's like it's over there. So y'all will see it in a little bit to like throwing boxes out. I thought you could just like put them out on trash day, but Lee is like super anal about like, hey, we have to break down every single box. I don't think he's gonna be happy about doing that for all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, this is giving Montessori children, like the little broom and the mop. I know that this is like an entire set. I'll probably have to like assemble some stuff, but I just want all of these boxes out of here because whenever like my house is disassembled, which is most of the times, it makes me feel like my life is not together. All right, okay, so we have tons of cleaning supplies. Okay, I see. This goes into this. Within the playroom, we're gonna have like a table set up, a day bed slash like sofa, so I'll be able to sit somewhere because like I'm not about to be sitting on the floor. Like I want to be comfortable. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. Seriously, how cute is this? This is so cute. I'm obsessed. Transformation would not have been possible if it was not for the Pottery Barn kids design team. They did mock-up drawings of our space so we would see how every single thing would look. And also my sister-in-law helped me, you know, like finalize certain items that we needed to pick. So this is a long time in the making. And to be honest, like since it took so long for the playroom and the kids' room to like come together, it's gonna make me appreciate this space that much more. Okay, these are some books. I don't wanna open up any of the books yet, but we do need to get rid of these boxes. Oh yeah, and by the way, like if y'all see the address on any of these boxes, don't come find us. No, I'm just playing. This is not our real address. That's on these boxes. I always have a mailing address. Initially, I had gave my my manager my home address, so all of the Pottery Barn stuff was supposed to come to my home, but it accidentally got sent to my mailing address. Now, any like business dealings, PR lists, whatever, everything goes to my mailing address, right? Somehow, all of this Pottery Barn stuff ended up going to my separate address, so we had to transport, and by we, I mean Lee, had to transport all of these packages from where our packages get mailed to all the way to our home. And mind you, we only have a Jeep Cherokee, so that was not fun. However, I am so hyped right now because I just opened up one of my PR packages actually, and I have been wanting this so bad. I'm so happy I have it. Look. But okay, I just started using Wyn Beauty this year. I even celebrated their 5-year anniversary with them via Zoom. I don't think they had an in-person event, but I was just so happy. And even before I celebrated the anniversary with them, I'm going to like Ulta and I'm like, ooh. So I've been getting like, you know, like the hair mist, and I've been buying their products and everything. And it's so crazy that now I guess I'm on their PR list and this product just dropped and I have been wanting it so bad. So the fact that they just sent this to me, thank y'all. Just like a super real moment. I'm experiencing postpartum hair loss, which a lot of moms do. Really been trying to get into like doing my own hair care at home and also like making sure I make it out to like a stylist that can also professionally like do my hair. But this one, I love it. And sometimes my family gets super lucky all the time because I can't use all these products on my own, right? Like just keeping it real. So, but this one I'm gonna keep. Family, if y'all watching this, y'all can't get that. I wonder if I have any more hidden PR packages. This is totally giving scavenger hunt. Look at how beautiful this wicker giraffe basket is. I love it. I love it. So fun fact about me, elephants are my favorite animals, but giraffes immediately after. Y'all, the quality of these Pottery Barn items are so fire. So y'all will definitely be seeing like elephants and giraffe themed items. You know, this is really cool, right? I feel blessed that I even have the opportunity to be collaborating with Pottery Barn and for them to be our gifting and doing this for my children and their room and everything. I don't want anybody to watch this video pretty much and think like, oh my gosh, like I can't have that same exact transformation, because you know the price is gonna add up for all of these things. However, you know, like just use it as inspiration, and if you see something that you really love, y'all know exactly where to get it from, which is like Pottery Barn, something for every single child. Because I feel like we're in a day and age where everybody is just like over consuming. And this economy, like it is hard right now. I'm not gonna lie. It is just in general, like don't compare yourself to like, you know, any influencers or whatever, because half the things that like influencers be getting is for like free. It's like somebody doing a whole face of makeup. You don't have to go and buy every single product, but whatever stood out to you that you currently like have room for in your life that you need, get those items. And I understand sometimes you might be like, I need it all, okay? Because I do those types of Sephora trips all the time too. But I'm just saying, I just wanted to share that message. Okay, this is a heavy one. This is a heavy one. I thought I was just doing a simple unboxing, but for real, this is a workout. Okay, we unboxed the box, and it is another box. And what is in the other boxes? What is this? This be like the paint easel situation. I feel like I also need to make a pile for items that need to be assembled. And I'm gonna stay on top of Lee to get to building it. Oh yeah, this is gonna be like the whole paint and play station. I'm so excited. And also let me know if y'all want to see more vlogs as we are putting this room together. Is it Play, Read, and Grow, like little climbers thing? So this is like a slide where they can climb up and slide down, obviously. So I'm not even gonna unbox this because this is something that needs to be assembled, and I don't even wanna mess with all that because I'm not trying to assemble anything right now. I'm here to unbox stuff and that's it. Okay, so we have a problem. Kingston just woke up. We're gonna have to put this on pause. He is like 45 minutes too early right now. I thought I was gonna be completely done this little project, but we will resume it. So I will be back. Hey everyone, so it is currently what, 10:31 p.m. and I am just now getting back to it. Had the longest past couple hours. I just put the kiddos down and I ain't gonna lie, I was this close to just like falling asleep with them, but I set my alarm. I took a quick power nap for like 20 minutes and I'm so dedicated to this right here, what we're doing, this process, my channel, and I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna let y'all down and have an unfinished video, because what I'm gonna do with that. And I'm also not gonna let myself down. I told myself I wanted to finish unboxing everything, so that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I really need to get this done before it gets too late, because we have a super busy, long, eventful, filled day tomorrow. So let's get to it. Another PR package. Pattern Beauty must love me. Because what else we got? Intensive conditioner. Y'all, this is not like product placement. They literally must just love me. We got some hair clips, sectioning clips. And what's this right here? A hair mask. And then we also have like the little flyer for the hair steamer. They love me. Thank you, Pattern Beauty. This is making my unboxing like so eventful. And I'm sweating so bad. I wish I wore something short sleeve. And on top of that, my wig feels like it's about to slide off. And I hear a baby. I'll be right back. I hear a baby. False alarm. Ari is back asleep. This is gonna be a longer night than I thought. But we gotta get to work. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Hampers. I know that Ari is way too small for this, but we still got it anyway. Custom elephant. I'm gonna keep it in the plastic because I'll rather like unwrap it fully once like the room is done. Pregnant with Kingston, I bought him the giraffe, also custom. Here it is. Love these. I think these make really amazing gifts, and they have like all the animals too. These are curtain rods. I'm gonna keep them in the box. I'm just gonna move them over to their bedroom. Y'all don't even want to see the trash pile over here. I'm literally like trapped. I don't know if I'm going to be able to even go downstairs because there are so many boxes. Holy crap. I have to show this to y'all. Like, look at how perfect these paintings are. Like, how beautiful is that? So beautiful. So we did the baby lion. Is that a cub? Baby giraffe. And there has to be a baby elephant somewhere. PR package alert. I'm so happy that my packages got mixed up, because it's like me getting like little gifts along the way. So this one is from Wyn Beauty. By the way, I have been waiting to try Serena Williams's line forever. You know, as a challenger, not that I'm an athlete or anywhere near the likes of Queen Serena, one of the greatest athletes like of all time. Want to see if I'll be able to wear this makeup while working out and all of that. But I had went to Ulta a few weeks ago and they didn't even have this line. I was so annoyed. Like, that was the entire reason that I went to the Ulta in Michigan. Do better. And some of the items had fell out, so I had to like place them back in. But then I also got this bag, and it feels like it has other products in it, which it does. Thank you, Wyn Beauty. I cannot wait to try these products and like open this up. Thank you. Had to come give this one a shout out. I think it's a busy board or a busy block. Beautiful. Just like the quality of this is amazing. This would make a great gift. So obviously it's gonna go amazing in your kid's bedroom, playroom, whatever. But if you do have a child in your life and like you don't know what kind of gift to get them, especially if they're like young baby or even toddler stage, I'm always like a huge advocate for like getting them something educational. So whether that be books or even something like this, like Montessori-esque or whatever. And this just like keeps them busy and off the screens as well. Seriously, y'all, like don't sleep on Pottery Barn Kids. Like they really have some amazing stuff. That was really heavy too. Not extremely, but if it would have fell on my toe or something, I'll be like, urgent care, where you at? already know, I told y'all what this was gonna be. Saving the best for last. Like how guys, like how beautiful is this? Like so beautiful, beyond beautiful. Like half of these things are going to like live in my children's room like throughout their childhood, even when they become teenagers, probably, because they will still be my children. But this is beautiful. This completes like that set. Let's see what it is. It feels like a pillow. And it says bro. Remember we had the sis pillow and this one says bro. It is so cute. Okay, so we still do have this box right here. The table, there's like a table in it. I didn't want to unbox it because like it has to be assembled, and obviously I'm not about to assemble it. Lee will assemble it whenever furniture starts arriving. That's when like we'll really start putting everything together. So what I'm gonna work on now is like clearing out this space of boxes. Wish me luck, because that really might be the death of me tonight. What I'm also going to do is just like put all of the items like where they belong. So if it was curtains or a curtain rod, I'm gonna go put it next to the window. I will be back. Oh my God, it feels so amazing to say we did it. I would have definitely just been like, man, I'll just sleep and do this another day. But since I am like so dedicated to y'all and creating content and my journey here, I was like, I got up and I made it happen. It took a lot of hard work, consistency, tons of sweat, and happy tears on the inside. Seriously, we did it. This was such a transformation. Y'all, I just cannot wait for this room to come together. It's going to be so beautiful. I know that my children will love it. If you want to continue to be a part of this journey, if you already haven't, make sure you click that subscribe button, like this video so I know that you love this kind of content. But anyways, I'm about to not even go to sleep. I'm about to shower because I'm sweaty and just sweating in every single place that you could imagine. So this isn't over. I actually have to work. I got a campaign I'm currently working on, and like I need to go get some editing done. It's 11:45 p.m. And yeah, I gotta get to it. I got some deadlines to meet. This is the hardest I've ever worked in my life, period. And of course, it's because I'm a mom and like a stay-at-home working mom that is, you know, just going with life, but whatever. I love you guys and I will see y'all next time. Bye.